have some big update coming in on one of those suspects in the Delhi Liquorgate, the man who's accused to be K. Kavita's frontman, this part of the South cartel. In a twist here, Arun Pillai has moved court seeking to retract his statement. Arun wants to retract his statement that he's given to the Enforcement Directorate. The court has now issued a notice to the ED over Pillai's plea. Now, a quick listen to what exactly this man, Arun Pillai, had said to the Enforcement Directorate. From what we hear, Pillai had admitted that he is a frontman to K. Kavita. He had admitted while, as part of the ED questioning, he admitted that he is a frontman of K. Kavita, that Kavita had come to Delhi to meet with some of the top Aam Aadmi Party netas, and a bribe of 100 crores was discussed as part of, in fact, Arun Pillai is part owner, a 35% shareholder of the Indo Spirits company. They were seeking to, they were in fact given an L1 license by the Delhi government. The Indo Spirits company itself had close to 30% stake in most of the business that came in on liquor from Delhi as part of that new liquor policy. So Arun Pillai is said to have admitted that he very well knows Kavita. He's the front man and working on behalf of Kavita. And that he admitted to the Enforcement Directorate that that there was a bribe of 100 crores that was discussed, and also was discussed on how to recover that 100 crore through the liquor business in Delhi. These are the kind of statements he had given. Let me cut across to Manish though to give us more clarity. Manish, tracking those developments. Manish, Arun Pillai, who was arrested, the ED is all set to get them face to face. He and Kavita to be interrogated face to face, and even before that, we believe that Arun Pillai has requested in court that he wants to pull back on the statements that he's given to the Enforcement Directorate. He wants to retract those statements. Would you be able to clarify what kind of statements he made to the ED, and what is his plea before court now?
Well, Nabila, this is certainly a very important development, and why this is important, because the statement of Arun Pillai was directly impacting K. Kavita, and this application of retraction which has been filed by Arun Pillai, one of the accused in the case, will have direct bearing on K. Kavita, because the entire ground for the Enforcement Directorate for calling K. Kavita for questioning was based on Arun Pillai's statement. They wanted to confront K. Kavita with Arun Pillai. Confrontation will still happen because the application has been filed. But you know, just for the benefit of our viewers, I have this copy of this statement which was given by Arun Pillai on November 11 last year. In his statement, he has said that there was a dealing understanding between K. Kavita and Aam Aadmi Party, wherein exchange of kickbacks to the tune of 100 crore rupees was discussed. K. Kavita got access to Delhi liquor business, specifically stakes in L1 Indo Spirit. He represented, according to Pillai, he represented K. Kavita in the firm Indo Spirit. He became a partner on her behalf. Further, he arranged the funds for the investment. Also, he said that there was one meeting at a five-star hotel in Delhi where K. Kavita, Vijay Nair himself and Dinesh Arora, they were present, and this meeting was on the recovery of the kickbacks which were paid in advance, and also he claims that he is a close friend of K. Kavita for a long time. So this was the clinching evidence against K. Kavita for the Enforcement Directorate, because any statement which has been recorded by the Enforcement Directorate under Section 50 of PMLA, it becomes an evidence for the Enforcement Directorate.
Now,
and
now how far will the court allow for his statements to retract? What does the law say on that? If you want to retract a statement, what's the procedure?
Well, Nabila, it is something which the court has to decide, but in past we have seen that there have been several such requests by the accused in this case, but hardly any statement has been retracted, because you know, ED has to file a reply. There is all possibility that ED will be filing a reply that this statement was not taken under any pressure. He was confronted with the evidence and then he decided to give this statement. Also, they have some WhatsApp chat based on which they establish the fact that K. Kavita and Arun Pillai are very close to each other. Also, because K. Kavita is a politician, ED may claim that now he is retracting the statement because there is a political pressure on Arun Pillai from K.
Thank you very much for joining us on that. Of course, this is a big U-turn coming in from Kavita's so-called frontman. Arun Pillai, wanting to retract the statements he made to the ED.